The Hisense 116-inch U7 Mini-LED ULED 4K UHD TV is massive, and it's not just the size that's impressive, it's what's happening on the screen. Mini-LED technology gives precise local dimming with peak brightness up to 4,000 nits, delivering HDR content that pops with clarity. Dark scenes are deep and detailed, highlights are intense, and with HDR10 and Dolby Vision IQ support, every scene feels vivid, lifelike, and cinematic. Gaming is where this TV truly shines. A native 165Hz refresh rate combined with VRR up to 288 ensures buttery smooth gameplay. Fast-paced racing games, action-packed shooters, or competitive esports run with minimal input lag, letting every frame display with precision. ULED processing and quantum dot color technology deliver vibrant, accurate colors that elevate every game, movie, or sports broadcast into a fully immersive experience. The sound system is equally impressive. A 6.2.2 channel setup with Dolby Atmos creates a three-dimensional audio environment. Dialogue is clear, explosions feel larger than life, and ambient sounds move naturally around the room. IMAX Enhanced certification ensures that blockbuster films are presented exactly as intended, with depth, clarity, and cinematic scale. The Smart TV experience is smooth and intuitive. Running Google TV, it offers quick access to all major streaming apps, including Netflix, Disney+, YouTube, and more. Voice controls respond quickly, and integration with smart home devices adds convenience without cluttering the living space. The interface is clean, fast, and user-friendly. Setting up a TV this large can be intimidating, but careful installation transforms your living room into a home theater. The ultra-thin bezels keep the focus on the screen, making content feel larger than life without unnecessary distractions. Sports, movies, or gaming, the immersive scale is remarkable. Beyond size, the Hisense 116-inch U7 is designed to deliver premium performance. Brightness, color accuracy, motion handling, and sound quality all work together to provide a viewing experience that feels cinematic in every way. This is the kind of TV that transforms your home into a destination for entertainment rather than just a place to watch it. For those seeking the ultimate home entertainment upgrade, this 116-inch Mini-LED ULED TV combines visual power, immersive audio, and advanced gaming features into one massive package. Every movie, game, or show is elevated to a new level of detail, clarity, and excitement. For anyone ready to bring this level of cinematic immersion into their home, the link in the description provides direct access to this 2025 flagship model. From HDR10 and Dolby Vision IQ to IMAX Enhanced and 165Hz native refresh rate with VRR, this Hisense U7 is engineered for unmatched home theater and gaming performance.